Hi, I'm Kelley BRUSE, and I am the Appointment Center Manager. We love to assist our homeowners. We love to help them to the best of our ability. We have a range of daily activities that we all, take care of on our own, but most of the time it is just making sure that our homeowners and our customers are completely and 100% happy and satisfied with our work. Part of what I do is lining up different appointments and setting up our sales guys to do what they need to do. From there, our sales representatives will take it and they run with it, they take the ball. But initially with the appointment center, what I do and what my goal is to set up everybody for success and to help them succeed in what they need to do. We want to make a very good impression. We will go above and beyond. As a matter of fact, our logo is above your roof, beyond your expectations. We like to stick to that. Our goal is to make sure that our homeowners are completely and 100% happy. We have a stellar reputation and we want to stick to that. I receive a nice sense of pride when I leave every day, especially dealing with homeowners, mothers that have children at home that have unfortunately a major leak in their home and they're going nuts, they need some assistance. I'm a mom myself, so I totally get that. When we're able to help those in the community, whether it's a single mom or an elderly person, someone that is in need of any sort of our assistance, and if we can help them, then that makes you feel good. You do walk out of here with a nice sense of pride and a sense of accomplishment. We do have a stellar reputation, 5-star reputation across the board that we are very proud of. And oftentimes folks, look up those reviews online and that's why they give us a call. And we love to hear from our homeowners about how happy they are with our services, and they leave us nice 5-star reviews online as well. Here at EIS Roofing, we truly care about our homeowners. We pride ourselves on using only the best materials that the market has to offer. We have a high standard that we keep all of our employees to, and the owner of the company also assures that as well. Folks will call us in the end because they do want to work with a reputable company that has those 5-star stellar reviews.